do have a lot of newcomers, a lot of young guys on the team, and everybody's just working really hard to try and do our best. We have a lot of potential, and it is our opener, so we're just trying to see where everybody's at. But we did well.
I think they all performed fairly well. A lot of PR, especially in the throwing events. And Alicia did a really good job, considering this is her first time triple jumping in 3 years. Overall, we did a pretty good job.